Lacey TV. Today we are playing Don't Choose the Wrong Fidget Toy Challenge. There will be 12 rounds. We'll take turns to choose if we keep or swap the bowls. The winner is the one who gets the most fidgets, and the winner gets a new Pop-It fidget.
Oh man, I really want a Pop-It fidget.
I want to win one too.
Let's get started.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors, shoot to see who chooses first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors,
Shoot.
Aww. I guess I have to go first. Aww. I got toilet paper. What does Landon have?
Yeah! Stretchy thing.
I want to get the toilet paper.
I got 1 point.
Aw, that means I got 0 points. Next round.
It's my turn to decide either to swap or keep. I'm gonna swap. It's a snail!
What? It's a carrot? How am I supposed to keep this?
Ready for round 3?
Here it goes. Should I swap it or keep it? I'm gonna keep it. Ooh, it's a fidget snail.
A phone. I'm gonna call the fidget police. I want to win this fidget game.
Okay, next round.
It's my turn. I'm going to swap it.
I got a dinosaur.
I got a Pop-Tart.
I'm gonna pop it. Oh, these circles are very tiny. I love a dinosaur puppet.
I'm ready for the next round.
Me too. My turn to pick. I want to swap it. This is heavy. Oh, I got a unicorn.
I got a stethoscope. Lacey, can you check if I'm alive?
Yep, you're alive. You got a heartbeat.
Lacey, you got another point.
Yay! They're all friends. I love these fidgets. They're stretchy. Oh, even look. Plop, plop, plop.
Okay, let's do the next one. It's my turn, and I'm going to swap it or keep it. Keep it! I got it!
I got a toothbrush. I hope it's not you.
I got a pineapple. Oh, and look, there's little pineapples on it.
I hope I get this point. I very want to win. I will keep it. Oh man, I got glasses.
What is this?
Oh man.
a really cool fidget toy. Ooh. We're ready for round 8.
Yeah. Bring it on.
It's my turn to pick now. I'm gonna go with spit. Yeah, I love this color.
Spoon.
So you can eat the toothpaste.
I love this color. This is only for breakfast. I'm ready for our next round.
Me too.
Am I going to slap or am I going to keep? I would say I'll keep.
Ew.
Ooh.
It's Lacey's socks.
This is a cool fidget toy. Then try it. It's very awesome.
Okay. I do like it.
It's awesome. Is it, Landon?
Yeah, it is.
And so loud and poppy.
Let's go on to the next round. It's my turn and I'm going to keep it.
Yes. Yay! I got a fidget spinner. And it fits too. That's how I like it. Oh,
I'm
and
saving this for
when I
later.
spin it, I can pop it. Only 2 more rounds. I need to get the other point. What do I do? I think I will keep it. Yes! Finally, I got this unicorn.
I got a balloon.
Final pick. Yay! Now I'm going to slap it. Really? Bubbles! I can't expect this.
It's a peanut fidget and it's a peanut pod fidget.
Oh, that's hard.
The peanuts are hard to get out. See? And there's little smiley faces. The pea.
I guess I have to throw this bubble.
Pea only has one face. And you can pop out 3 peas in a pie. These fidgets are so cute.
Bubbles!
This little pea needs to experience bubble.
Eat bubbles. That's very far.
The score was 6-6. We have to do a tiebreaker. We have one last chance to win. Game on, Lacey.
Game on.
Okay, this is tiebreaker. I got
I won't serve the glue.
I won! Ready for my prize. My prize! It's a keychain fidget. Yes. It's a pocket one for my backpack.
I wish I owned a prize too.
blue, pink, green. Green, pink, blue. I have my backpack right here. I'm going to put it on right here. Perfect. How does my winning fidget look? Well, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!